Our customers expect from the factory of the future to address the labor challenge, the increased operational cost, and the flexibility in production. In the factory of the future, our customers can make fast decisions based on real-time data. This enables them to keep production at maximum efficiency and to solve problems before they even arise. neXt automates repetitive tasks at the line and unbounds the operator from the line. This enables them to focus on more value-added tasks. With neXt, our customers can benefit from a future-proof solution which is very flexible and provides the lowest total cost of ownership possible. We are the strategic lifecycle partner of our customer. That starts with co-developing. neXt has especially been designed together with customers based on their feedback and their challenges.